Yeah, this is a very common error, I tell you. So just click OK on screen there. Once you do that, I want you to locate two folders. First one is where you did the extraction of SolidWorks. Once you locate it, go to a folder called Solid Scope. There it is. Second folder, again, go to where you did the installation of SolidWorks. Usually it is drive C, and then program files. But in my case, I did installation on drive D, so I'll go to drive D. Then I also created a folder called program files. Then you can see I have SolidScope there. Once you locate those two folders, on the folder where you did the extraction, go to the SolidScope folder and open it. Once you open it, just copy all the contents of the SolidScope in the extraction folder. Copy them, then come and paste them on your installation folder. That is usually drive C, program files, but in my case it is drive D, program files. Then remember to replace the file and the destination as always. That is the first step. The second step is go to Task Manager. Under Task Manager, just click details so that we can view the files we need here. We are looking for a file called SolidWorks fs.exe. Here it is. Right click on it, then end task, then finally end process. You can close the small window if you are done doing that. Again, go to SolidWorks PDM, SolidWorks PDM folder. Here we are looking for a file called stored procs. Once you locate it, go ahead and rename it. Leave the existing name, but at the end of the name just add .bak. At the end of the existing name, add .bak. Then move to the last step. Go to where you did the extraction of SolidWorks. Then locate the file called Load Enabler. Right click on it. Then go with the option of Open. This will add the registry keys to your computer. Just click OK to confirm your selection. If you are done, then now go ahead and launch SolidWorks. But if the error is still there, like in this case, if you open the installation folder under SolidScope, you can see we have one folder which is duplicated. In your case, there might be one or two. So this is how you should go about it. It is the one causing the error. So just locate or try to open Task Manager. Open Task Manager. So under Task Manager, we are looking for a file called SolidWorks fs.exe, the file we did previously. Once you locate it, right click on it, then go with the option of end task, then finally end the process. Then go ahead and close that small window. So the next thing is head over to the extraction folder and locate where we have the SolidScope. Open it, then copy all the contents of SolidScope under the extraction folder. Select all of them, then copy. You can see I was just trying to help my Russian friend, so I had a problem locating where the copy command is, but he was able to show me where those commands were. Once you copy them, head over to the installation folder. That is disk C, program files, then SolidScope. Paste the contents here. Then remember to always replace the file and the destination. as we usually do. Once that is done, again you head over to the extraction folder, open SolidScope, but this time around just the duplicated folder on installation location. Open SolidWorks under extraction folder, then copy all the contents of SolidWorks, then come and open the duplicated folder under the installation location, that is SolidWorks. Then paste the contents from the extraction of SolidWorks to the installation of duplicated folder under the installation, and paste the contents there. So if you have two folders duplicated, just follow the same procedure. Open extraction folder, then copy all those contents and come and open the duplicated folder and paste them there. So basically you should not have an error this time if you launch SolidWorks. As always, if you get help or you thought the video was helpful, go ahead and subscribe, share the video and like. Thanks for watching. But if you still have time, you can stay around and watch some of the things I usually do with SolidWorks. I usually play around by trying to draw these complex shapes in SolidWorks. So if you are interested, maybe you can stay around and learn how to do things with SolidWorks. You might be surprised, you can learn something new at this point. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's catch up in the next video. See you on the next one. Bye.